How to check if a website is a legit website or a scam. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can check if a website is legit or a scam. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So to check if a website is secure or not, if it's legit or not, all you have to do is simply check its connection type. So if you don't know what a connection type is, I'll just show you. So if you open up a well-renowned website such as YouTube, or in this case, let's just go to google.com. So let's head over to google.com for now. And if you're here, you will notice that if you press on this view site information option right besides the URL, you can then see if the connection is secure or not. So if you press on this, you will see that this is secure. You can check the certificate as well. There you can see. So you can check if it's secure or not. And if you head over to its URL, you'll find this HTTPS, which is a secure version of HTTP. What happens in HTTP is, let me search for HTTP sites. Let me search for HTTP sites here. And there are a lot of different HTTP sites which are not secure at all. What happens is in HTTP, your requests are sent unencrypted, whereas in HTTPS, it is encrypted and is safe to use. So to know if a website is secure or not, in this case, so let's say in YouTube, there might be HTTP, and there might be a change in the URL where a scammer can use www.y0youtube.com. So that can be a case here. And in Google, there can be similar case where the scammers might simply use this, that is G00GLE Google instead of Google. So that's how you can check if a site is secure or not. Simply check its URL, check if it's safe or not, and check if it's on HTTP or HTTPS. You can already just tap on this icon here, which will take, let me just go back here. You can simply check its certificate if it's secure or not from the browser itself. And that's how you do it, and that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.